So we'll rewrite this as, we have this equation. We'll rewrite this as dy upon equals to dx by x, which is, we rewrite this as y into y minus 4. So we'll rewrite the numerator as y minus 4 . So this becomes dy upon y minus 4 minus dy by y equals to 4. We take this 4 and we cross multiply it. So now this is straightforward. Integrating, we'll get ln y minus 4 minus ln y 4 ln x plus c. y1 equals to 2. Or ln mod y instead. So y1 equals to 2, we get ln mod 2 plus ln mod 2 mod 1 plus c. So these gets cancelled, this is 0, so we get c is 0. So our curve becomes mod y minus 4 by y mod x to the power of 4, simply becomes x to the power of 4. The slope of the curve is never 0. That means dy by dx is never 0. We are given that dy by dx is equals to 4 by x. That gives us y is never 0 and y is never 4. Okay, let's then see x is root 2. We get y minus 4 by y mod equals to 4. And gives us minus y equals to 4y plus y equals to 4 by 5 is one solution when y is in 0 to 4. And as y cannot be 0 and 4, and assuming that the y is a continuous function, the domain would simply be from 0 to 4, so this assumption becomes valid. So we have y equals to 4 by 5 and 10 times that is 8. So the answer is 8.